on.
What, read it out to somebody?
Yeah.
Where we start, and we're going to go around the room. Should we start with you and go around the room?
Yeah.
So is it just me guessing? Or is everyone guessing?
So
yeah, you're guessing. What's this? This is just general. Let's see, what shall I get for you? I have to see which way around they are.
You have to look at the white the white bit has to face you, and the red part has to face the person who's guessing. Right, Ollie, you're right over there, son. You're a good boy.
Right, let's start with a simple one. Right, okay. I don't know if you can see what it says, okay?
Glue your feet on. Right. What would you do?
Do I give him the clue now, or do I give him the clue later on? I can't remember.
Say it again, Ewan.
Say it again.
So what was? Sorry, what were we meant to do? I'm meant to guess what.
You're meant to guess what those words mean. This is just a general quiz. I can give you the hint though if you want it.
I just don't understand. So this is just a funny way of
It's a
saying.
phrase. Yeah.
Okay, glue your feet.
Oh, I think I know what this one is, but I'm not.
What does it sound like?
Glue.
That's the easiest way to say. What does it sound like?
I know it is. Yeah.
I know what it is too.
Yeah, I know it is.
Is it rude?
No.
No,
No.
the black ones are the adult cats. Do you want the hint?
You know?
So it's like it's like either I'm guessing it's a well-known saying or like a brand.
Yeah.
Yeah, it could be a brand.
Louis
Yeah.
Vuitton.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You're right. Shall I put them out the way when we've done them, do you think?
Yeah.
Easier. Right.
It's
Who's gonna... I'll give the cards to you then, and you can pick
Okay.
somebody.
Make sure that you have the red card face the person who's guessing, and only do.
Am I guessing then?
You don't say the.
What?
The half end jaws. The half and jaws.
The half.
The half end jaws. The half end jaws. The half.
Oh, I think I know what it is.
The half and jaws.
Sometimes it helps if you say it faster. I
The
think.
half and jaws. The half and jaws.
Say it faster.
The half end jaws.
Focus really on the first bit.
The half.
Yeah.
The half.
Yeah.
The half and jaws. The half and jaws.
Really, really.
I know what it is. I know what it is.
You can give it the hint if you want.
The half and jaws.
Yeah.
The half and jaws.
Do you want the hint now?
No,
Is it
not
hint?
yet.
So you need to get like higher pitch each time.
The half and jaws. Do you know what it is?
I know what it is.
Do you
Yeah.
know
I
what it is?
think I might know what it is. I'm not sure.
Two half and jaws. The half and jaws. The half and jaws. The half and jaws. The half and jaws.
Do you want the hint?
Say it fast.
The half and jaws.
Ooh.
The half and jaws. Jaws. No, give me a clue.
So, someone help. So that I read that bit.
Yeah, just where it says
Yeah,
hint.
just
Yeah.
that. Just wait.
Big budget, bigger egos.
The half and jaws. And jaws. And jaws. To have in yours? To have in yours?
No.
And jaws.
I know what it is. I know what it
The
is.
half. The half. The half. The half. The half and jaws. The half and jaws. I don't know. I genuinely don't know.
It was.
What's that?
Is it?
Guess.
Is it the Avengers?
That's
The
what I thought it was. The Avengers.
The Avengers.
Half and done.
You would have had that.
The French Avengers. The half and jaws.
What is it, plumpety plump?
Sarah?
Leon Hellesy. Leon Hellesy. Leon Hellesy. Leon Hellesy.
What do? Oh, okay.
Leon Hellesy. Leon Hellesy. Leon Hellesy? Leon Hellesy.
It's quite hard, isn't it?
Leon Hellesy. No, it's not Liam It's not Liam Neeson, is it? No.
I think I know this one.
Do you want to get the hint, Sarah?
You get I'll have to hit.
Football genius with a magic left foot and a trophy cabinet the size of your house.
Leon Hellesy. Leon Messi.
Yeah. Very good.
Lionel. Oh,
Lionel Messi. I thought it was Leon Messi.
Yeah, I knew that.
Lionel. So who do I do this to then?
Mark?
Alright, okay, I'll go first.
You'd have to. Ha! Yeah.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh,
I
Sarah.
I didn't see it.
Sorry.
Straight
Sarah, can I see it? No, I don't see that.
Oh.
Wait, Mark. I don't. Right. Okay.
There you go.
Go on.
Ni Mafaloni first. Mafalio ni first.
Say it fast.
Mafaloni first.
Right.
Mafalio Mew.
Right. Say it really slow now, Mark.
Mafalio ni first.
Try again slowly.
Marvel you
You're almost there.
You're almost there.
almost what?
You're almost there. You
Do you want a clue?
almost said it.
Yeah, do you want a clue?
You almost said it.
Marvelio first.
I was crying doing this with her the other night.
Okay, hint.
World's longest sequel.
World's longest sequel. World's longest sequel.
Mark, if anyone knows this, you should.
Yeah, you should know this.
What does it sound like?
I think I must put a little bit of towards me. Say it again. Slow.
Marvel
Yeah.
Universe.
What does it sound like that you know of?
I don't know of. Is it Marvel?
Yeah.
Related to that, yeah.
First word.
What does the last bit sound like? Say the last three words really slowly.
First.
Is there
Now
a
say it
film?
fast. Now say the last three words fast.
Universe.
So the Marvel.
Marvel Universe.
Yes!
Yes.
Well done, you got it!
You got it! Well done!
So it's not,
I got it.
what it's looking for is not exactly spelt as you see on the
So,
cards.
yeah.
It just sounds like. Just remember that, it sounds like.
Yeah, that's what I was. That's what I was going for, but I was just kind of.
It's
Oh,
hard.
it's not as simple as it looks.
Well, I
It's
know.
very hard.
Pick a
You're right,
pick a
Ollie.
random one. Yeah, the leg goes up.
Right, well, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Another drink? See? Just that.
So keep eating all of these. Keep eating all of these.
If you're gonna do it, Christmas is the time to do it. Is this to say?
All right.
Oh, but this is Sarah. I thought it was to Mum.
Open your eyes.
Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo.
Oh, you got it.
Well done, Sarah. You're so good at this.
Got it right away.
Do you want to do one to Mum as well, Mark? Pass it.
Yeah, sure.
If you take that off. Pop your back down there, Mark, and then you can put your feet down.
Come on, Ollie. Let me come.
Come this way.
Go see Natalie.
Come this way, Ollie.
Just at your feet.
Feet. Oh, what we supposed to do?
Are you not? Did you look?
No, I didn't see. I haven't seen anything. Mark, I need my glasses on to see right in front of us. I'm not going to see where you are. Usmelakches.
Can I see what it looks like, Mark? No, oh, hang on. Put your hand over it.
I'll look
And then,
away.
yeah. Oh, God. Right, okay.
Usmelakches. You smell. Smellakches. Because it's definitely you. You smell. Smell like child. You smell like cheese. You smell like cheese. Is it you smelling or is it smell? Or smell like cheese? It must be so funny.
Ollie's looking at you, laughing at that.
You smell like. Oh, hang on. You smell like. You smell like. Oh, hang on. Is it you smell like cheese?
Yes. Yes.
I just got what's that laugh bit? I couldn't think of the hell it was. Oh, I smell like cheese.
Jez.
Oh, smell like. I thought when it started with a U, it was abbreviated for you. Sorry, I didn't mean you smell like cheese.
Oh, so funny.
Been saying you're saying you smell like cheese.
Oh God.
I think it's you and you.
Right, I've got to say one to you now. Oh God. I'm really sorry. Even I won't know what I'm going to get. Hang on. Which way is it? I need to show him the white one, don't I?
No, you need to show him the red.
Show the red.
Show me the red.
Oh shit. Hang on. Sorry, I'm going away.
You smell like cheese. Smell like
I don't even know if I can say. Do this one. I'm going to need a tissue. Oh God.
Okay.
Right. Oh, you might get this.
Snorandinjeit. Snoran.
Oh God.
Snoran. Snorandi. Use.
I think I know what it is.
Use no.
Use no.
What? I don't get that.
As no random
If you want the hint, let me know.
yet.
Mum. Oh, no,
I know what the answer is, don't forget.
I think I know what it is.
Oh,
As
God.
no. What's can I have a hint?
You sound like Darth Vader. That doesn't help one little bit.
I think I've gotten the first part of the word, but I
I
don't.
think I know what it is.
What was it like? Darth Vader's not your friend.
No, you sound like Darth
You
Vader.
sound like. Oh, what does that say?
What's Holly doing?
You snore. You snore in the night.
Almost.
You snore and yeet.
You almost had it.
You're almost there.
You snore at night. At the night. In the night. You snore and I don't know.
You pass.
I snored.
I think it's misleading when they start with you though, because it makes you want to say you.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh,
Very quick.
that's very quick.
DiCaprio.
Leonardo DiCaprio.
Oh,
You
God.
had to choose a random one, not just from the back or the front. You gabbins. Yeah, gabbins. Yeah, gabbins. You gabbins. You gave bonds. You gave bonds. Yeah, gay bonds. Jager bonds. Jager bombs. Jager bombs.
Yeah, nice.
Well done.
I like that people just keep saying it in the hope that somehow magically they'll arrive at the answer.
Makes sense.
It's so simple, it's stupid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Please stash on
Say it a little bit faster.
the station. The station. Play. The station. Pistachio.
No.
No,
Do you want to give him a hint? Do you want a hint, Mark?
I'll take a hint.
Oh my god, this is the most rude hint ever. The reason your mate's single. Try saying it again and a bit slower.
Pistachio.
It's the sound, isn't it, that's wrong?
Yeah. I think it's more like the pronunciation, isn't it?
Change the A to an A.
Mum, don't give him too much of a hint. In it again. The different pronunciation.
A session.
No, it's all the word.
They session. They session. They session. They session.
What does it sound like?
First half's right, and then the second half slightly different.
Yeah.
Play.
Change the A to an A.
Mom, stop giving him hints.
I've already given that one.
They're giving too much of a hint on them.
Shh.
So close.
If you want to pass, you can pass.
A pass. Oh.
And the hint
It's
was
deceiving because the second A is sounding as A. There should be an E, really.
Sony's iconic gaming console that ruined sleep schedule since the 90s. And the hint was the reason your mate's single. That's awful.
Yeah, I'll take the cards and I'll put in the ones.
Are you going to do one for Mum, Mark?
You playing, Ollie?
It's dark already.
Are you going to play with us? Yep. Yes, leg goes up.
Okay.
McDonald's.
That was quick.
McDonald's. It sounds like McDonald's. I'm very quick at this
I
thing.
think we should open the other box as well. Have you got another category of cards there as well? Try the other category of cards so people can mix them up.
You start with Mum's.
Which one? Which box are we going for?
The orange one.
Are you going
You
for
can mix them up. You can choose either a red one or an orange one.
What do you think actually? Do you think this one or the... Do you actually like that one?
If I'd have known what they were going to be like on, I'd have done them the other way around.
And?
I'd have done the sage in the alcove and the...
Okay, are you ready?
Just got the white one.
Yeah, we'll have white above it.
Suxan lighter. Suxan lighters. Suxan liters. Suxan slaters. No. Suxan slippers.
Close.
Socks and socks and sliders. Socks and sleeters. Socks and slaters. Socks and sliders.
Yeah,
Yeah.
socks and sliders.
You could just do anyone.
So this is UK culture, isn't it? These orange ones.
Mm-hmm.
Chelsea Flow her soul. Shall
Goodness knows what it sounded like to me.
see. Flow her soul. She will see flowers.
It's the little hole that you've done at the end.
I feel like it's easier when it's somebody else's go.
Shoe.